Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I trust we're good. Yeah, the year has started, and I believe most of us have started achieving some things. Some of us are still strategizing, some of us are still moving. But guess what? We still move, okay, regardless, okay. I know most of us consciously or subconsciously have strategized for this year. We already have our goals for this year, consciously or subconsciously. So today I want to help us run through the year. I know a lot has been said on how to achieve our goals for this year, on how to run through this year. Of course, I have a previous vlog on how we can run through this year. If you have not seen it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and go through it. It will really help you. Today, I want to quickly throw a little light on some few things we should have in mind as we run through this year as well. Okay, let us have these few things in mind. It's little, I know most of us might know these things, but it's good to always remind ourselves of these things, okay? And I trust it's going to help us as we run through the year. So while we run through the year, let us all have relevance in mind, all right? Let us always work towards being relevant. Yes, of course, if you have been relevant all through last year, work on sustaining your relevance, okay? If probably you were not that relevant last year, work on being relevant this year, all right? Relevance is key. When you have relevance in mind, definitely you will always work towards achieving results. You will always work towards creating values. And when you achieve results, definitely it will make you relevant. It will give you that money you desire. It will give you that promotion you desire. It will give you that recognition you desire, okay? And definitely it's gonna help you. It's gonna help you all through the year because it's gonna lead to growth, okay? So a friend of mine asked a question on his WhatsApp status, and he was like, what is your first move for 2021? I thought on the question and I thought of sharing it with us, okay? Now, your first move for 2021 should be focused on getting you relevant, all right? Your first move should make you relevant in 2021, all right? So your first move should create value. It should impact your space. Your first move should add value to your life, all right? So what are you going to do that will create that value? What are you going to do that will make you become relevant? What are you going to do that would make you become that recognized person you want to be, okay? So your first move should be targeted at making you relevant in 2021. If you were relevant in 2020, then your first move should be to sustain your relevance, okay? Now, I also want to say one other thing we should have in mind as we run through 2021, and that is focus, all right? Of course, if you've been following my vlog, you will know by now that focus is key. Listen, we all know the phrase that this life is a marathon, all right? And in marathon, you don't run, you don't sprint, you jog, all right? So 2021 is just a lap in the marathon race. So remember, don't sprint 2021 thinking it is just a year. No, it is still a lap. If you sprint in 2021, definitely when you get to 2022, 2023, you would get exhausted, all right? So remember, focus is key. Look at the process, all right? Maintain your pace, all right? If you have to increase it a bit, yes, increase it, but remain focused. A lot of things will happen this year. We can't deny that, okay? A lot of things will happen this year that might want to distract us, that might want to make us lose focus. But remember, focus is key. Keep your eyes, keep your mind at the last lap. We don't know when the last lap is, but then focus on the last lap, all right, so that you can maintain your pace, so that you can focus on achieving results, all right. Remember what you want to achieve. Remember your 5-year plan. Remember your 6 years plan. Remember your 10 years plan, all right, so that it can help you run through this 1-year plan. Okay, so focus is key. Let us focus as we run through this year to remain relevant, all right. Also, please remember influence as we run through 2021, all right. Pick one person, intentionally influence that person to be able to pick another person and influence that person as well, all right. That way you're going to impact the person's life and you're going to impact other people, because that person you intentionally influence will also influence other people, all right. It's just like sowing a seed, investing, and your investment yielding more investment for you, or rather yielding more profits for you. Okay, so focus on influencing someone this year. If you're through with that person, pick another person and influence that person this year as well. Okay, let us impact lives. Let us impact lives. Also, I also want us to remember that we need to consistently grow throughout this year. Remember, we were not created to survive. We were created to grow. All right. So throughout this year, let us focus on growing as well. All right. Attend courses. All right. Read books. Further your education, your master's, your PhD, your BSc, wherever it is. Come on. Grow yourself, all right. Information is key. Acquire these informations, okay. Grow. When you're able to build yourself, definitely you would remain relevant, okay. Most times I see people that read a page, all right, of a book I post on my WhatsApp status, and then at the end of the day they come back to tell me, hey Kingsley, I told someone about your page, the page I saw on your status, and I'm always like, imagine just that little single page you saw was what made you to strike a good conversation with someone. What will happen if you read the whole book? All right, so build yourself, read books, all right, read books, attend seminars, listen to tapes, listen to people's interview. Further your education, whatever it's going to make you grow, then do it, all right, so that you can remain relevant in your space, all right, so that you can get promoted, so you can sustain your business, you can sustain your career, you can sustain your education, whatever it is you are sustaining, all right. And finally, your mind should also be focused on God, all right. Focus on the Holy Spirit. Remember, He will direct your steps. He will lead you through the year. Remember, God created the end from the beginning, all right. So He knows what will happen at the end of 2021. So why not focus on Him? Why not trust Him? Let Him direct you according to His plans for you, for us, for 2021. All right. And I trust we'll be able to remain relevant. We'll be able to dominate and influence our world. We'll be able to achieve everything we have set to achieve consciously or subconsciously for this year. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a new year, so guy, focus, subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching it, all right, so that you can have good nuggets to run through the year and beyond. Okay, till I come your way next time, guys. Dominate your world, influence your world. Peace. Safe.